Hi everyone, so this is the unboxing of the mini maker box from Nicola's craft shop. Now this is £10 a month and they're doing different varieties and different themes, same as a lot of other places, and the postage for second class is £1.99, so it's £11.99, and every month they have said that they're going to do 10 clips of a variety of size, 6 A5 fabrics, 5 glue sticks, 5 bow cards, 5 snap clip covers, and 1 pre-printed bow loop, and a weekly sort of planner. So it is good value for money. It doesn't tell you how much the box will actually be for the value, but it does look like it's working out more than £10. So I will show you this theme, and as you can see, it was March, sort of February, March as box. So it was very Easter themed. So it's got these super cute bow cards. So like I said, they're really cute for sort of Easter. It's got this really pretty Easter themed pre-printed loop, which would go like this, and again you can add your own tails or build it up into a bow, but this is canvas print, so that's there. It came with these pre-cut snap clip covers, as it said, so 5 of them, and then you have the 5 glue sticks. Now, I personally got a bigger size glue gun, so they're not ideal for me because my glue gun sticks are the big 11mm. But for those of you that have got a standard size 9mm glue gun, they're fine. But you get 5 of them in each box. You get 10 of the clips, and they do look to be good quality. So they're not like bendy, and they feel quite solid and chunky. As I said, weekly planner to help you plan your week and get started. I fill these in and then I may as well put them straight in the bin once I finish making them, but like I said, they are useful if you're more organised than myself. And then, as I said, it's got 6 mini A5 fabric cuts, and they're all different. So there's like this shimmery dotted blue polka dot, there's this white one with, you know, like the Fimo cut out shapes that you have for like shaker bows and things like that. It's like indented in the fabric, and you've got some bunnies and some carrots mixed in there. Then there's this cute Easter bunny one, a more traditional Easter bunny one, Easter chick one with little cars, and they appear to be Easter gonks in the little cars, so that's quite cute. And then there is this transparent bunny gone hunting fabric. So there you go. So this is the mini maker box. Like I said, it's good value for money. You get lots of little extra accessories. Like I said, the extra clips for the bows that you make, etc. with it, are all really useful as well. The little bow cards and the pre-printed loops are really pretty. I like the pre-cut snap clips because sometimes I don't want to get my machine out myself. So like I said, I like the idea of those. And like I said, if you're one for like occasionally running out of things, you know, when you don't plan ahead, having these come with the box sort of helps every now and again. So like I say, it's always good one to have a reminder and things like that. So I do like the idea of that. But yes, so that is the one from Nicola's craft shop. I'll put the link in the description below, so if you want to take a look yourself. And again, this one tends to come out at the end/beginning of the month, and they're sort of shipped quite quickly. I think they have them already in stock, and they keep them in until they literally run out. So it is quicker than some of the ones that are sort of launch at the beginning of the month and then come out at the middle of the month. But there you go, that is from Nicola's craft shop. Thanks for watching, bye.